Connect Google Domain to Google Sites. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we are going to be doing is we are going to be talking about how you can simply go ahead and connect a Google domain to your Google Sites. Now obviously Google domain is not available anymore. Google domains rights have been given to Square, okay? So or Squarespace basically. So what you're going to do, even if you come over here and you write Google domain in the Google domain website, it's going to tell you that the official Google domain sites have been given to Squarespace. So you're going to need to get a new domain from Squarespace. The thing is, if you already have an older Google domain website, you can connect that as well. But if you want to get a new Google domain website, you're going to want to go to Squarespace because that is where you're going to get things from. So we're going to click on this and it's going to take us to Squarespace. So once we're over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding the domain name you want. So I'm just going to go with this. Now, once you get this, it's going to give you all the domains available with this name. And once you like what you do, you're simply going to go with this one and you're going to click on continue to check out. Now, once you click on continue to checkout, it's going to bring you here where it's going to say create your account, etc., etc. So just go ahead, create an account, get the domain for yourself, and you're good to go. So once you've gotten the domain, you're going to come to your Google Sites, click on settings. Once you do that, click on custom domains. And once you do that, click on start setup. And once you're doing that, it's going to say enter the domain and you're going to enter the necessary domains that you're going to require. So here in Squarespace, take the domain that you like and you're going to add it over here. And once you have added your domain into this section, you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much standard and you're pretty much swell to go. Add in your domain. So let's say I'm going to add my domain right here. Once you do that, it's going to tell you that your domain is not verified. So please verify your ownership. And that is exactly what you're going to want to do. So to verify your ownership, it's going to bring you here where you're going to add in your domain. If your domain is obviously a TXT recommended domain, you're going to sign into your domain provider. So in our case, Squarespace, you're going to go to your cPanel for your domain and you're going to copy this TXT record and paste it into your domain. And you're simply going to verify it and that's going to fix things up. And then you're going to re-add the domain. And once you do that, that basically fixes things for you. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.